guys. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking off this nail right here just to show you how to do it because I feel like it's necessary to know. So what you start with, I like to prep everything and have it ready to go. I'm gonna put a little bit of this nail polish remover in this cap. This is the strength of the nail file, 120 by 240. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna start filing this thing down. So file it down until it's really thin. And then what I'm gonna do is, these right here I got from Amazon. They were like $6. And they're the little nail clamps, see? You'll put like a cotton ball filled with nail polish remover and then you'll just hold it there. This is actually really great if you do at-home gel nails. So if you don't have these, I want to show you. Get your cup full of nail polish remover and just soak it. Now, if you don't want to do that, don't use this whole cotton ball. It's such a waste. Get it nice and wet. That's what she said. And then wash out. Just like that. And you'll wait for a couple of minutes. All right, while I'm waiting for this nail to soak off, let me show you the tools that I will be using today to put on the gel nails. I have 3 nail files. Each of them are of different strengths. You are gonna need this little cap full of nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol if you have it. I've got a buffer. It's a cool one. Look, it's an oval. I have got this awesome thing right here. This is the UV LED light that we're gonna use to cure everything. It's motion sensor. Blah, 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 blah. You can do 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Push it again to turn it off. It's already got a little dirt on it. I got this one because I want to be able to put gel on my feet in the summertime and not have to like wait for the nail polish to dry. So this is awesome. This was only like, I want to say $26, maybe less on Amazon. Totally worth it. Absolutely love it. And then here is the kit. Now I've already used this, but this is what it looks like. I already figured out which nail tips are best for me, so I left them out of the bag because I didn't want them to get lost. So here is what this kit comes with. You've got a top coat, base coat, instructions with pictures, y'all. And let me tell you something. You should read this entire thing front to back before you put on your nails. I'm not kidding you. Then you're gonna have all of the colors. We've got clear, we've got bright white, natural pink, dark pink, light pink, and misty rose. I'm gonna be doing light pink. I like light pink. Then, this tool is so cool. This is a scalpel that you'll use. Get the gel and you just like mold it in the scalpel. And then the brush is what you're gonna use to really like shape it out and draw it out and all that stuff. I was doing the brush without anything on it. It was so messy and like just very difficult to shape. And I was like, what the hell's going on? And then I went to the back of this little instruction manual and found some tips and tricks, and it was like use acetone / rubbing alcohol / nail polish remover and dip the brush in there and then start to shape it. And I did that and it was literally flawless. And I was like, are you fucking kidding me? And that is the kit, y'all. So while we're waiting, let's go ahead and find out which tips are gonna work for us. See, here, let me zoom you in so you can see. There's a number on these tips right there. And I was doing it like that. You're not supposed to do it like that. You are supposed to have the number on the ends, okay? This part that doesn't have a number on the bottom goes right there. Okay, y'all, let's check our pinky. After it's soaked for a few minutes, just get that nail file again and have at it. So, here is the nail. So if I wanted to like put a top coat of clear polish and then just like call it a day and not put on any more nails, I would buff this out and shine it and make it pretty and flawless and all that jazz, and then I would end this video. But I'm going to be putting on more at-home acrylic nails. So I'm just gonna end this right here. This is how you take off that poly gel at home. It's very easy. Now, let's get started putting on acrylic nails. So I've got everything I need right here. I have my tips. I've got the color that I'm gonna use, which is light pink. Got my base gel. I've got my top gel. I've got my UV light. I've got my little brush and scalpel tool. My buffing tool, which we'll be using. A nail file, which we will be using later. And then, y'all, very important, you need a cup of this nail polish remover. First thing that we're gonna do, get a nail file and let's buff the top of these nails. Now I'm kind of just shaping them just because these nails are actually kind of clear. You will see, or I will see, my real nail underneath the light pink. So I want to make sure that even though they're short, they're still straight. I'm just going to wipe off the extra powder from buffing with this cotton ball. Here is what we are going to do. Base gel. This is important. We're going to do this first. If you get any on your skin, go ahead and wipe that off. Then we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds, you guys. Moving on. Let's do the thumb first. You wanna get a nice amount. Look, so the tips have these little lines right here. So what you do is you put it on your thumb, and then you're like, okay, which line do I wanna go to? Do I wanna go to number 1? No, because that's too short. Do I wanna go number 2? I could, that's where my real nail is. Do I wanna go to 3, make it a little bit longer? Yes, I do. So I'm gonna go up to this 3rd line with my scalpel, put it right in the center, push it, and then you kind of just drag down. See how I ran out of juice? That's okay. I don't mind adding like a little as you go. If it's not perfect, honey child, let me tell you, it's fine. Because when you push this up against your nail, it becomes perfect. Here it is. It's not perfect by any means. But we're gonna dip our little brush. Only need a little bit, so don't get too much. And then you're just gonna start pushing and molding it. Line it on up. And then you want to make sure that you do push it down on each side. We're going to cure it for 60 seconds. I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all how I shape this right here. Now, if you look closely, you can see there's a little ridge right here. You're gonna get this ridge on each and every single nail. So I file it down pretty much as best as I can so that it's even. And then I will buff out the top of the nail to blend everything in. Now I'm gonna get the top coat. Make sure there's no cotton fuzz on there. Dead skin is as gone as possible. Then you're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, there is my thumbnail. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on and do the rest of my nails, and I'll be right back. Okay, so to finish this off, I like to add cuticle oil. And then, just so y'all can see, this is what they look like. But yeah, that is it. This is how I do my acrylic nails at home, you guys. They're freaking awesome. These are super strong. They're definitely gonna last 2 weeks unless you just want to take them off and try a new color or redo a few. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day and I love you.